games in our leisure time. Some of the games are indoor games and some are outdoor games. Today, we will learn about the games we play. Do you study all the time when you are at home? Or do you or other members in your family work all the time? No one can read or work all the time. We want free time so that we can rest or do something for relaxation. Doing work in our free time is called recreation. Games we play. Games and sports are physical activities. They keep us active and fit. Playing games is fun. Games then. A kabaddi match was organized in Rohan's school. Rohan and his friend Hardeep's grandparents came to watch the kabaddi match between the two sections of class 3. They enjoyed it very much. They told Rohan and Hardeep, "Kabaddi is an old Indian game that requires speed, watchfulness, and the ability to hold one's breath." Hardeep requested his grandfather to tell more about the old games. His grandfather said different kinds of games were played in the past. I remember playing Ikri Dukri, hopscotch, as Chupan Chupi, hide and seek. My friends and I enjoyed climbing trees. It was great fun. What other games did you play? Asked Rohan. We also used to play kite flying, kho-kho, gulli danda, pittu and kache. What is gulli danda? Asked Hardeep. The grandfather explained, the gulli in gulli danda is a piece of wood, sharpened to a point at both ends. The danda is a long, thin wooden stick of about a half meter long. The gulli is placed across a deep hole in the ground and the players holding the danda scoops up the gulli with it as high as she or he can. Fielders are placed around the area to try and catch the gulli before it falls, and the player with the danda picks it up again. If the gulli is caught, the danda passes to a new player and the game continues. Games now. Children play many types of games today. Rohan's cousin Govind is an expert player in Ikri Dukri. Her sister is fond of skipping. Rohan also loves to play blind man's bluff or Aankh Micholi. Rohan has learnt a new game recently. This is called chain. In this game, one person starts chasing the players. When she or he touches a player, that player is caught. That player now holds the chaser's hand and both start chasing the other players. In this way, a chain is formed. Govind and Rohan are in the school. They are talking to their friends. They start talking about their favorite sports person. Rohan's favorite sports person is Saina Nehwal. Govind's favorite sports person is MS Dhoni. Rohan's friend Akshat is learning how to play chess. He is a big fan of Vishwanathan Anand, the chess player. Anand has been playing chess since his childhood and is one of the champions of the world. Saina Nehwal, badminton player. MS Dhoni, cricket player. Vishwanathan Anand, chess player. Also know, India's national sport is field hockey, not cricket. Many games, including chess and carom, are believed to have been invented in India. Games that we play inside the house are called indoor games. Can you match these games with their names? Games that we play outside are called outdoor games. Name these outdoor games. Answer the following questions. What is recreation and why is it important? Any play or amusement used to relax or refresh the body or mind is called recreation. Recreation is important to make us relaxed and ready to do the regular work of studies and home tasks after enjoying it. Name 2 indoor and 2 outdoor games. Indoor games: chess, ludo, carom, etc. Outdoor games: cricket, football, hockey, tennis, etc. List the games you play at school and the ones you play outside it. The games I play at school: cricket, kabaddi, kho-kho, tennis-court, etc. The games I play outside school: shuttle, chess, gilli-danda, chupan-chupi, hide and seek, etc. Tick the correct option. Answer the following questions. Name any 2 games that were played by your grandparents in their childhood and are not popular these days. Name any 2 games that you and your friends play these days and were not played by your grandparents then.